So I got some buddies that live up this way. We're going to be passing, not quite next to their house, but up in this area. And once we get past their road, I have not been this far north on this road. So this is going to be new to me. Looking forward to it. The adventure begins. We're doing something like 200 miles today. With some nice twisty roads. Got a fun bike. Got beautiful weather. It's a good day today. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Old school. Okay. Yeah. You're talking my language at this point. And Backroads is all I want to see. And curvy signs. I love curvy signs. Curvy is my shit. This is a fun road. With this bouncing back and forth between bright and shade, it's kind of hard to see if there's any obstacles or dirt or something in the road, especially on these sharp little turns. I love the roads of North Carolina, but they can be a little dangerous at times. Oh, look at that view. Thank you. This area is not disappointing, and the least bit. This is a fun little climb. They're so fresh back here. There's so many areas back here that's just totally picturesque. This is one of them. We got a turn coming up here in about a mile, so hopefully we won't necessarily be stuck behind these guys. Oh, okay, I think we're getting up on towards the Burnsville area at this point. It's like a little transitional road here, and then this is gonna be 19. So 19 is a road that I've been around all my life, it seems. I grew up about, I don't know, about an hour and a half north of here. And I spent probably about a decade in Florida. And now I live near Asheville. And 19 tends to run through all that. So maybe it's the same 19, I'm not sure, but maybe it's not. All right, got a little bit fast riding here for just a few minutes. Back to the fun curvy roads. Just a hairpin here. Don't watch out for that groove there. Just a poorly placed groove in the road. Made me a little nervous. Everybody seems to be doing pretty good today. The pace is just fast enough to be exciting without being too dangerous. Oh. This is the fun bridge.
They got milkshakes and hamburgers and stuff down here on the left if you want.
Ooh.
I think he's going to get something. I'll probably get a milkshake or something.
All right, I'll grab a quick burger. I wouldn't mind one.